Hey guys, welcome back. This is Scott. I found another fungus, a fungus on Mars of all places, of course. And there's a fungus over here, another one over here. It's just kind of bizarre and really interesting. So hold on, it's just a really fast video. Just wanted to share this with you. Check this out. Remember last week when I showed you a round ring kind of mushroom fungus there? Look at this. It's right there. It's right there in the shade. It's growing in the shade to keep out of the sun, to keep healthier. These things are usually not in the sunlight. They're usually in the shade. And it's just kind of bizarre, guys. It's that round fungus shape again. Now, if that's not crazy, you got to check this out, because way up here on the top is a structure with a doorway, and the doorway is closed off with a fungus. That's right, they use the white fungus to close off the door. Maybe they can control its growth like a farmer controls his field. I don't know, but whatever is going on here, I believe that on the other side of this doorway of fungus is a living life form with some kind of an intelligence, because it's created a doorway, so it must have some kind of an intelligence to it. And that's kind of extraordinary, isn't it? That something on Mars was capable of using the fungus over there to build a doorway. That's so cool. It's not the first time I've ever found a doorway made of a fungus. It's actually a third. And the first time was a time where there was actually a face built into the fungus itself, which was kind of neat. And let's look around here just for a second. And right over here, you see a little bit of that fungus again. Now, those are the three places that I could find. One, and up here, right there. That is so cool. Isn't it cool? It's kind of strange. And there's a living creature inside there, guys. There's a living creature. Hey, look at this thing. It looks like, I don't know what it looks like. And look at this. It's so weird. It's like a big piece that was eaten through and destroyed right here. And something like Thor's hammer right here in this area. It looks like Thor's hammer almost. And right here, what is it with these hollow triangles that have been broken open? I mean, this is like the 20th I found this year. So strange. Very weird. But let's go back. Let's go back and check out that fungus way down here at the very bottom of the corner. Right here. Guys, what do you think of this? Do you think it's a fungus? Do you think it's some kind of mushroom, some kind of life form? And guys, what do you think about that doorway? What is going on inside of there? What do you think is on the other side of that doorway? Like and subscribe. Scott Waring, signing out.